Alright guys, I'm so excited to open this up and see what's packed in here. It's Hysoon, it's a fingerprint and face attendance machines, okay? So this is good for a small size business where people, your employee to come in and actually, sign in and stuff. Super fast, super easy for them. So, okay, so here is the machine. And they can even use their card if you like. So these are the cards. You have a total of 5 cards. Okay. I believe you can order more if you want. You have to contact the seller. And it's come with cable and adapter. Alright. The bracket, of course. And the USB drive to install the applications and get it up and running. So here is the machine itself. The power buttons is on the side right here, and also you have the tab to open up to a couple of the USB port right here. Okay, and in the back, this empty area is for your cable adapter to rest in. Alright. Also, you can actually, I don't know what this port is, but pretty sure it has something in here. Should be something in there. So, with the USB they included, and here you can actually plug it right in here, turn it on and set it up. Pretty easy. I wonder what that little thing is. So let me try it down. Oh yeah, I was right. So this is for the battery. This type of battery, the flat batteries, the kind that they use in cameras and stuff. Put it in here for backup purposes. Well, but if you don't have electricity, then I don't know if you can work or not. Anyways, yeah, that's about it. Or you can just, stand it straight like this on your register, and the employee can come and just tap it really easy.